Songeni tu, mtaona. Tafadhali songeni tena kidogo. Push that side, eh? Mheshimiwa Professor Songeni ameweka maua kwa rafiki yake. Songeni tena kidogo. Thank you so much, Professor.
We have come with all the Kisii elders, the Kisii leadership, the Kisii fraternity, women and men and young people, and led by Fred Matiang'i.
We have come here to say pole, to condole you again, and join the family in saying pole sana. But essentially, you know, in the case of Raila Odinga, we are saying pole to all ourselves because we were part and parcel of Raila Odinga's family. And that is why we told your mom this morning that you are going to see many groups of people coming down from various parts of Nyanza, especially from our part of Nyanza, because of the love, the relationship, the commitment that your father showed to us. At least I'm aware that there are 2 or 3 other groups that are also organizing themselves to come and say pole, like the others that have come before us. Today it was the turn of the Council of Elders and some elected leaders, and other leaders have come before, others will come again to continue our collective family and community feeling and expression of love to you, your family, and to express how grateful we are as a group and as a family and as a community to the service that Mzee provided to all of us. I said when we were at the home that when you as a family make a decision to begin developing various institutions in support and in memory of Mzee, many of us, both those who are here and a good number of us who are not here, who worked with Mzee and had time with him, would like to make various contributions from various dimensions towards immortalizing what he has done. And I gave the example of the soapstone covers in Kisii that I know are working on something, and a number of others who are bringing up very unique contributions in a way that will immortalize Mzee and the contribution he made to our community. And finally, I know no amount of speech or words will comfort you or bring you any better feeling, but at least it's good to know, and it may even comfort you to know that there are many of us who share in your loss. It may be singular to you in a particular way, but collectively as a country and as a society, we share the loss of Mzee, but we also celebrate him in this process because there are very few people who in their life on this earth are able to make the kind of impact that Prime Minister Raila Odinga made. May God strengthen you, may God comfort you, and may the Lord walk with you as you continue the journey of this life from where Mzee left you. Thank you so much indeed.
Asanteni sana Mheshimiwa and all the Mheshimiwas from Kisii. I hope you can hear me. I'm usually the one who's sitting behind Baba, not the one who's talking. But now I've been pushed forward to say a few words. We appreciate you, and we appreciate all Kenyans, not just from Kisii, although Kisii had a very special part in Baba's heart. The people from Kisii loved Baba, and you are all his brothers and sisters. That's why when we stand here with the leaders from Kisii, we get strength. We feel strong, even though Baba is gone, that we are with you. We feel strong, even though Baba is gone, that you have remembered him, and you have come to honor him, and you have come to pay your last respects. So mine is to say asante sana kwa nyinyi wote. I really want to reiterate it again. Please, this shrine, this grave of my late father is open for everyone. It doesn't matter what the politics you had. It doesn't matter what relationship you had. It is open for everyone, all Kenyans, all Africans, everyone around the world who want to come and pay their last respects. Karibuni Kang'o ka Jaramogi.
Geoffrey, asante.